friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll show you how to cut kale for salads. So sometimes they sell kale in those packages where it's already pre-washed and pre-cut, and sometimes they sell it as whole leaves. So if you buy them like this, then you need to wash and cut them for the salad. So to wash this kale, what I did is I filled a pot with cold water, and I just put the leaves in it and rinsed them several times, and then I put them in a colander and also rinsed them under cold running water. So now they're washed, and here I'll show you how to cut it. So this kale has a tough stem, which is not tasty, so I'm going to remove the stems. So just cut the leaves away from the stem. You can do it from this side so you can see it better. And now just cut these leaves in pieces so they will go in your salad. So you can cut as big or small as you want. And now the kale is prepared for the salad. So just repeat with the remaining leaves. All done. So now we have a whole bowl of kale for salad. So all you need is remove stems, chop the leaves, and the kale is ready to make a salad. So check out my channel. I have several kale salad recipes. It's so healthy and delicious. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!